I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. And I sure would like
Alright, welcome back to the final video of Orange Sheet 2. So make sure that you get your orange sheet ready, and we're going to go ahead and jump into orange sheet number 2, final video. And this is double B with the Niagara movement, and hopefully you can kind of fill these in before we get to them, but if you can't, we're going to help you out, and if you can, we're going to allow you a chance to check your work. But orange sheet 2 double B starts with Dr. John Hope and Alonzo Herndon, because we know they were involved in the Niagara movement, as well as W.E.B. Du Bois. And they call it the Niagara movement because obviously this took place at Niagara Falls, and they met there to discuss segregation. And we know from the Niagara movement the NAACP is born, and also they develop the policy that the Jim Crow laws, which again was a public policy to segregate blacks and whites, they're saying that that policy must go. And moving on to CC, we talk about World War I and how it begins, and again we're talking about 1914, and there's 3 A's that deal with World War I. First of all, the assassination is valuable, and the one who got assassinated is, of course, the Archduke Franz Ferdinand. And we're going to move into double E. 2 reasons why the U.S. entered World War I. First of all, the sinking of the Lusitania by German U-boats. We know that was a passenger ship that killed 128 Americans, and it only took about 18 minutes to sink, so they didn't have time to get the lifeboats out and that kind of thing before the ship went under. Moving on to FF, we know Georgia's role in World War I, that we really set up military training bases so the soldiers could train before they went off to war. And I know I'm missing a comma here, and I'm going to try to fix that. But actually I got one too many zeros. Over 100,000 Georgia soldiers will fight in World War I. And kind of finishing up double E here, the Zimmerman telegram was also important because we know that this was a telegram sent to Mexico from Germany, and the subject was to attack the United States, and that did not make us happy. So this kind of wraps up orange sheets, and make sure you have them filled in, and it's very, very crucial that you study orange sheets 1 and 2 for the next few nights, because your test on Friday will come from these orange sheets. And if you got any questions, please see me, and we'll go ahead and kind of wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you got questions about any of the orange sheets, please get with me sometime and let's talk about it.
I got my ticket for the long way round, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains.